The scheduling page is where programs create and edit exam events, obtain registration codes for unproctored and remote proctored exams, and monitor exam completion. Before scheduling, note that students using time-based accommodations no longer require separate exam events. They automatically receive the correct duration based on the time-based accommodations field in their profile. However, separate exam events are required when in-person exams have different start times, exams require unique additional instructions in their email, and in-person exams take place in different locations with different proctors. Exams requiring unique instructions must be scheduled as separate events because the information entered in the additional instructions field is emailed to all students added to the exam. Exams with different proctors also require separate events so each proctor can add the correct exams to their individual proctoring sessions for each room they are monitoring. The process of creating proctoring sessions is described in the proctoring video, the user guide, and the PAEA website. To schedule a new exam, select Scheduling from the toolbar and click New in the top right corner. Enter the exam details and click Save. Remember that any additional instructions entered here will be emailed to students added in the next step. After saving, click Add Students at the top of the Students section on the next screen. You can browse all students, search specific students by name, and search based on student profile criteria such as graduation date and student group. Select the students to include and click Add Selected Students. Each student will immediately receive a confirmation email. To edit an existing exam event, select the test name from the Scheduled Test table on the scheduling page. In the top right corner, choose Edit or Delete. An event can only be deleted if no scheduled students have started the exam. Editing allows you to change the time zone, test date and time, and additional instructions. To add students to an existing exam, select Add Students in the Students section. To remove students, click the three dots in their Actions column and select Remove. Students who have started the exam cannot be removed. For scheduled unproctored or remote proctored exams, the Students section is also where programs obtain the registration codes required for exam launch. Students scheduled for unproctored exams receive their registration code in their confirmation email. For remote proctored exams, programs must provide the registration codes to their third-party remote proctoring service so that students cannot begin these non-secured exams until they are in the required environment. To obtain the codes for the remote proctoring service, click Download Codes on the right side of the Students section. A spreadsheet with that information will download automatically. The Resend email link at the top of the Students section will resend the schedule confirmation to all students on the event. You may also use the Actions drop-down to resend emails individually. The Status column within the Students section allows Assessment Hub users to view whether exams of all delivery types are not started, in progress, or completed, along with the time of completion. If you have any issues scheduling or editing exams, please contact PAEA Exam Support for guidance.